The Samsung Galaxy S25 Fan Edition has not yet been officially released, with an expected launch date of August 25, 2025. However, based on available information, here's a comparison between the anticipated Galaxy S25 Fan Edition and the current Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. Performance: Galaxy S25 Fan Edition, rumored to be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity chipset, marking a departure from Samsung's traditional use of Exynos or Snapdragon processors in its Fan Edition lineup. Design and display: Galaxy S25 Fan Edition, expected to feature a 6.67-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080x2400 pixels and a 120Hz refresh rate. Reports suggest it may have a slimmer design compared to its predecessor, potentially due to new battery technology. Galaxy S24 Fan Edition features a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080x2340 pixels and a 120Hz refresh rate. It has dimensions of 162x77.3 x 8mm and weighs 213 grams. Additional features: Galaxy S25 Fan Edition, anticipated to include reverse charging capabilities. Galaxy S24 Fan Edition offers reverse wireless charging at 4.5 watt. Please note that the information regarding the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition is based on leaks and rumors, and official specifications may vary upon release. Camera: Galaxy S25 Fan Edition. Specific camera details are currently unavailable. Galaxy S24 Fan Edition features a triple camera setup comprising a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. The front-facing camera is 10-megapixel. Battery: Galaxy S25 Fan Edition, expected to house a 5,500 mAh battery, supporting both fast charging and wireless charging. Galaxy S24 Fan Edition comes with a 4,700 mAh battery, supporting 25-watt wired fast charging and 15-watt wireless charging. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video.